Hey guys, my name is Yan Sikorski. Today I want to share with you my top 7 ideas for the next trading session. But first of all, let's see how my previous ideas work out. As usual, let's start with euro-dollar. In Thursday, I recommended you short this instrument because this currency pair was near important resistance level around 1.1140. As you can see, price hit my first target in this case. My first target in this case was around 1.1080. And the pound USD, I said if price hold above important support level around 1.2320, it will be a great opportunity to take a long trade. The first target in this case was around 1.24. As you can see, price hit my first target in this case too. In Canadian dollar, I expected some sort of false breakout of this consolidation. As you can see in this place, price formed false breakout. But unfortunately not going up, just hit my stop loss. That's why I cannot say these ideas work pretty perfectly. In Aussie USD, I expect that if price hold above 0.66, this is nice opportunity to take a long, and first target around 0.6660. As you can see here, price hit my first target in this currency pair. Gold. And Thursday I expected a little pullback in gold from 70.25 until 70.15, and then I expected the price going up again. As you can see, these ideas work pretty perfectly. My first target was around 70.35. As you can see, price hit my first target around 70.35. Oil. I said you on Thursday, price stay near important support level around 31.50, and it was pretty depends on how price react for this level. As I said, if price with an impulsive movement up from breakout of these micro consolidations and pullback, it will be a great opportunity to take a long trade. And the first target in this case was around 34.50. As you can see, price hit my first target here. Another idea in SP 500, I expected with the price get a bounce from 30.50 level in SP 500. As you can see on a Thursday, price formed false breakout here. It was entry points, and as you can see on a Friday, price hit my first target in S&P 500. In today's idea, let's start with euro-dollar. Euro-dollar right now stay in important resistance level around 1.1140. That's why we have to wait how price will react on this level. If we go into the lower time frame, like M15 time frame, here we can see how price stay in consolidation here. It means for us we have to wait impulsive breakout. If you can see bullish breakout with an impulsive, then pullback, it will be our entry points for the long. In this case, our first target will be around 1.12. The same picture with bearish impulsive breakout. If you can see bearish impulsive breakout, pullback, it will be our entry points for the short. In this case, our first target will be around 1.1080. Another currency pair is a pound USD. In a pound USD, I expect with the price going up until 1.2450, and here I will expect what the price forms some sort of reversal model or false breakout. It will be my entry points for the short, and my first target will be around 1.24. Another currency pair is the Canadian dollar. I'm pretty bearish in Canadian dollar, honestly, and I expect with the price falling down again. But my entry points will be, I expect with the price formed pullback until 1.3740. Then reversal model will be my entry points, and my first target in this case will be around 1.3640. Another currency pair is Aussie USD. In Aussie USD, price also stay in important resistance level around 0.6740. That's why I expect how price will react on this level. I mean, if price hold below, it will be nice entry points for the short. My first target will be around 0.6660. And when price hold above this level, it will be nice opportunity to take a long, and my first target in this case will be around 0.6780. Another currency pair is, it's not currency pair, another instrument is gold. In a gold, I expect some sort of, if you can see on a higher time frame, like H1 time frame, you can see here the big up movement. In terms of big up movement, I expect some sort of pullback until 1730 level, and from this level I think it will be good place for looking some patterns for the long, and my first target in this case will be around 1750. Another instrument is oil. In oil I expect some sort of pullback from current price until 3460, 3450 level, and in S&P 500 I expect some sort of pullback until price zone around 3000 and 3010 S&P 500, and it will be great. It will be great price for open a long position, and the first target will be around 3060 and 3050 in S&P 500. Well, guys, I think this idea, I hope, but I say I hope these ideas will be useful for you and help you to make money on the next trading session. See you in the next video. Bye.